Hey Maicurlies, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got a product share. I recently joined the brand ambassador team of Curls and Potions, and I was sent a gift box of goodies with products and for the hair, as well as goodies that were not hair related. I want to give a big shout out and a thank you to Curls and Potions for welcoming me to their brand ambassador team and sending me this amazing box. Thank you so much. I enjoyed using it. I enjoyed using it on my hair to do these flat twists. So once again, thank you Curls and Potions. In this video, I just wanted to quickly share about the brand, as well as, like I mentioned, the box that was sent to me. And this box is what I was sent, and it's actually going to be their Black Friday special. They're gonna have 3 different sets for Black Friday. So this is just like a little preview of what the box itself will look like. These are not the products that will come in with the Black Friday set. So aside from the 3 products that you can see that I was sent, I also was sent a crystal. This is the crystal that they sent me. It is gorgeous. It's a carnelian stone crystal, and it is for, let me just read so I don't say it wrong. So carnelian restores vitality and motivation and stimulates creativity. There's a lot more to it. I'll have details about it in the description box, but I was sent this. And then I also received a hair clip, really cute hair clip. And I was also sent a Fight Cancer bracelet. It's a brass bracelet. It's really cute. It says Fight Cancer on top. I already started using it. So I also received a really cute bag. I love it. It's gorgeous. And again, I've already started using it. The brand has a really great book of the products that they have. All the products that they have are in here. And it also, another thing that I really like about this brand is that they don't necessarily just focus on curl type or curl pattern. They actually look into hair porosity to figure out which products works best for you. And to me, that is an important part of knowing your hair care, is knowing your hair porosity. So in the book, they have a little test that you can do in case you don't know what your hair porosity is. You can also find a test, how to do the test online. Porosity to me is really important. So when I was sent the products, I gave them an explanation of my hair porosity and also what I was looking for. And I went for the ayurvedic line because I am a huge fan of ayurvedic herbs. So that's what I was looking to get, and I got sent these 3. So the first product that I have is the Butter Me Up cream. It is basically a whipped cream, and it contains babasu seed oil, macadamia oil, argan oil, honey, shea butter. It also contains organic aloe vera juice, and aloe vera juice is actually the first ingredient listed on here, which means it is the most used ingredient in this. And aloe vera juice is hydrating for the hair, so it's really good and restoring moisture to your hair. It also includes coconut oil. The scent to this is incredible. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. It reminds me of baked goods, like sweet baked goods, really delicious. This can be used for 2 things. It can be a leave-in conditioner, or you can use it as a deep conditioner as well. So you can saturate it on your hair when your hair is damp, put a shower cap. You don't have to sit under heat with it. If you choose to, you can for additional moisturizing effects. But yes, you can use it as a deep conditioner or a leave-in conditioner. And I actually did flat twists using the entire line to do my flat twist. This is now my new lazy girl style that I go to. And I used this as my leave-in conditioner. For me, from all the 3 products, this was my favorite. So the second product is their curling jelly, and it is a curl and coil defining cream. It consists of aloe vera juice, organic honey, amla extract, shea butter, and hemp seed butter as well. And in terms of scent, it is really subtle. I get sort of similar scent to the butter that they have, but it is a lot more subtle. And this is a really thick sort of cream. This is going to give you really light hold, and it's more for giving your curls bounce rather than giving you definition. I recommend that if you want more hold, you go for their curling potion. This is their curling potion. So it is a defining and styling gel, and it enhances curl definition, and it is humidity resistant, which is important for me because I happen to live in really humid climate. Even when I'm back home or I'm out here in New Orleans, it is humid. It's for curls, coils, and waves, and it includes castor oil, it has marshmallow root, it has flaxseed gel, and it's got agave nectar in here. And the consistency of this, if you have used flaxseed gel before, you'll know that it has more of a, for lack of a better word, a snotty kind of consistency. This doesn't really have that kind of consistency in comparison to flaxseed gel. Along with those ingredients, another thing, water is first listed on this as the first ingredient, and it's actually water that has been infused with horsetail, nettle, and chamomile. So it has a really nice subtle scent to it. It's almost floral that I get, but really light. It's also got coconut oil, castor oil, xanthan gum, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's got Irish moss in it as well, so it's really good. I enjoyed using this. I am a flaxseed gel girl. I love using flaxseed gel, so the fact that it's got some in here, it worked really well on my edges in the front. Not that I necessarily lay my edges down often, but you know, it made my twists really nice and tight. I got nice curls on the ends of my hair. So this is day 2 of my hair in flat twists, and I'm gonna keep it in for a couple of days. I'm actually traveling tomorrow and flying, so I'm gonna keep my hair like this for the next 2 days at least until I take down the flat twists. I just wanted to quickly show you what my hair is looking like with the products. Thank you to Curls and Potions for welcoming me to their team and sending me this amazing box. I have a discount code for you for 15% Maicurlies. So if you use My Curls when you check out from their store, you'll get 15% off. I'm going to put a link to their store below in the description box, along with the code that you can use to get your discount. Thank you for watching Maicurlies. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.